Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust white balance on your DJI Osmo 360. First, you want to make sure you are on your desired mode, for example panoramic video, then tap on the settings icon, then enable Pro mode. In here you'll be able to adjust the white balance by tapping on the WB icon, which stands for white balance. AWB is automatic white balance, and then M is manual. In here you'll be able to change the white balance values however you please, however you want. If you want to confirm, you click on this icon to confirm. And if you want to go back to automatic, simply tap on it again and then AWB and confirm. And the same can be done with exposure, of course. And if you want to exit Pro mode, simply tap on this and it will disable those options again. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.